Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Google Chrome web browser without reinstalling it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to begin by opening up the Google Chrome web browser if it's not currently open on your computers. And now you want to go up to the top right corner and you want to left click on the menu icon one time, and then go down and left click on settings down here. You scroll down to the bottom of this page and left click on Advanced. Scroll down again until you get to underneath Reset where it says Reset Again, restore your settings to their original defaults. Left click on that. Please note this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and safe passwords will not be cleared. Left click on Reset here to begin the process. This might take a few seconds, so please be patient. And once you're done with that, I would recommend restarting your web browser just to confirm that the changes were taking effect, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.